Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to this video learning machine. So in this video, I want to talk about, a method where you combine Snapchat with Crakrevenue. Okay, now these are adult offers. If you've ever seen Crakrevenue, we've got a lot of adult offers here. And, it's totally allowed to do. You just have to have a correct funnel in place, which I'll go over in this video. And I'll talk about how to set up the campaigns for Snapchat ads and everything. Because if you don't know this, Snapchat has pretty much the same amount of volume as Instagram and Facebook and stuff like this, pretty much, and it has a specific audience and everything like that. And this audience will convert with these offers 100%. I'm sharing you this method because I don't have time to do this method myself. I have a lot of different stuff I do, and this can work 100%. This traffic is very, very cheap too, and it's a little bit higher quality than adult traffic. Okay, so you can easily see if things are working even faster. And just like adult traffic, it's cheap. I mean, adult traffic in general is one of the best traffic sources out there you can leverage. But Snapchat ads is a good alternative as well. So let's talk about this. So when you go to this page, you just have to have a Snapchat ads manager, okay? And so you could do the instant create. That's a good way to do it, but you're going to miss out on some features. Okay, this is just to create it fast, but you're going to end up spending more than usual because you need to basically do better targeting, and you could do that with this one over here. So you select this one. Now, you don't want to do awareness. You don't want to do that. You do want to drive traffic to your website 100%, but you could do website conversions if you're doing your own offers. Sometimes with affiliate offers, you guys can actually contact your affiliate manager and get your pixel code inside the offer to optimize just for conversions. Now, that's a very powerful way of doing things, and it's very easy to contact a manager. I believe in you guys. You guys are 100% smart. If you're on this video, I know you're a smart person, and you can absolutely do this. But in the most simple way possible, we could just click drive traffic to website, and that's all we're focusing on, just the cheapest clicks we could possibly get, and send it, okay? But if you want to do the pixel code, you could click it, and then you have to view the tracking code, set it up on the site, or send it to the affiliate manager. If you're doing your own offers and own funnel, you can easily set up a pixel, okay? Now, any platform out there that has a pixel AI, it's smart, okay? And it's really, really powerful, okay? So any platform out there that can do that, it's powerful. And that would be YouTube can do that, Instagram, Facebook ads, Snapchat ads, and maybe even Twitter ads, okay? Things like this. Even Traffic Junkie has a pixel code you could do, okay, to optimize. So it's really, really powerful. We could talk more about that, but basically you could do Traffic Junkie, which is an adult traffic network, one of the biggest in the world, and you basically put a pixel and contact an affiliate manager and put the pixel inside the offer, and you can crush it. Okay, that's very powerful, and I'm glad I am sharing that with you. Okay, so here we are. The status is active, create a split test. That's a new feature. I don't really recommend doing that fully. What you're going to do automatically, just by uploading different images to test and different videos if you want, you can automatically start split testing because you can see which one's getting higher click-through rate, okay? Now, this campaign will start immediately. It will run indefinitely. You want it to spend throughout the day. Any campaign you guys do in advertising, you want it to always spend throughout the day. Always, like every time. We'll talk about different offers we can find here too, by the way, which is really powerful. Okay. Daily spend cap. Basically, what you want to do here is set a limit on how much your campaign can spend per day, okay? So your spend cap per day, you could do it at whatever your offer is, really, but you could do like $50 a day for your spend cap, and then your lifetime spend cap. If you just want to run it for one whole day, you could do 50 again, and it'll just spend for that day. If you want to do a lifetime spend cap, it's how they have it. You could just leave this blank, is what I'm kind of seeing here. You could just leave this blank, and then it'll just run definitely $50 per day, okay? And we could test and see if we could just leave it blank, and we'll see. No cap, yeah, exactly. So it has no cap. Okay, next. Now, this is kind of cool, okay? So basically, you guys actually have the option inside Snapchat where you can do an in-house, like make your own ads, okay, with their own in-house creation of ads and everything like this, okay? So there is a big reach you can get here. Now, you want to target it for an exact offer. So if we pick an offer here, these are a lot of high converting offers. Now, how do you do the funnel, though? I'll talk about that in a second. Okay, so here we are. Facebook. Not Facebook. Fbook. Okay, let's keep looking. These are the highest DPC offers right here. But if you wanted to do like this one right here, this one makes sense for Snapchat right here. Okay, so you do that one. I don't want to select it. I have to blur stuff out. You could do this one. This one's a high converting one. Okay, it's cost per sale one. Okay, but here, if you promote this one, you get $60 for sale. Okay, and with Snapchat ads, that's very easy to do due to the easeability of targeting. So you know exactly who you're targeting. Okay, and usually offers over here will tell you. They will tell you, hey, this offer converts with blankety blankety blank. Okay, I don't want to click on it. But here's the thing: automatic placement recommended, edit the placements. You can see what happens here when we do this, okay? User stories. I remember I ran Snapchat ads once and was very profitable with doing sweepstakes, but this is another angle you can do. And remember, you can always promote any offer you want to do. Offers that work always is health, wealth, and love. This is the love niche we're talking about right now, okay? These adult offers. And basically what you do, you want to basically have a bridge page, guys, in between the offer and this ad platform so it can get approved and you're set. And you can easily collect emails, okay? So this is what I wanted to talk about is you optimize for conversion event for just getting emails and leads there. Then you can have a follow-up sequence in place. Whatever email provider, doesn't matter, all of them work, okay? And you have a easy freaking email sequence in place, and then you just promote a bunch of adult offers in the back end. Boom, 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 boom. So you have an offer one day, offer one day, offer one day that they're all different, and then you repeat the cycle again and again and again. It goes on forever. People get emails forever, okay? And then right after the opt-in for whatever, usually you want to give something free in exchange for the email, and you want that free thing to actually be usually something that is relevant to the it needs to be relevant to the offer you're promoting. So if your offer offers this, you could do an info product on how to text girls and stuff, info product about what to say to girls over text, how to turn on girls over text or something like that. Okay, now you would basically, if you want to make this ebook yourself, okay, this PLR product, you could find a private label right product and give it for free, or you could give a bunch of free YouTube videos, okay, for free. That's very powerful. Okay, that's a very advanced marketing tip that's very easy to implement, just like anything I'm going to teach here. And the thing is, if you make it yourself, though, video or videos and stuff like this, you can then pitch more offers and link to more offers inside your free product. Or you can have just a simple PDF where you just link to a bunch of offers, okay, when they opt in. So they're literally getting access to tons of offers, and they're instantly after getting opted in, they're getting redirected to the offer, okay? Doing this is super easy. I have a done for you service if you want it done for you. I have done for you funnels for you. You can check those out down below. Okay, so if we keep going here, your audience is just located in the United States. Okay, let's say that was the targeting. Let's say the age is going to be 20 all the way to 30. That's the age range. Okay, males only. Okay, English, of course, because if the offer is English, then there you go. This is probably the demographic for this. But you're going to test. You're going to see, okay, what's getting the highest conversion rate if you're using a tracker for opt-ins and stuff like this, which will work. And you can optimize like crazy. Okay, you're going to be making good money, especially with the offer I'm recommending. Like this offer pays out $60, guys. Okay, so you can spend $60 to get a sale, just to break even and build a list to get even more conversions in the back end, which is totally allowed. Okay, so email providers I do recommend though. Why Not Mail is for adult only emailing, which is very much so powerful because if you're doing adult offers, there you go. So it's called Why Not Mail. The other thing is you could do ClickFunnels, the $300 a month ClickFunnels, and then get SendGrid connected. Okay, and then you can also do adult marketing offers there. Or you can go ahead and risk some stuff and do some Aweber and or GetResponse or any other platform out there. Okay. Now here we are. Wi-Fi, that's whatever. You can split test between these two. Usually, Apple devices usually convert better. I mean, that's just how it is. But Android, there's no reason Android cannot convert. Okay, so we're doing website traffic, blah, 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 $50 a day. Your reach is that much. Your swipe ups is going to be around 700 people. Okay, that's what it's all about. So you can get 300 to 700 people basically. And that's a good amount of people, especially when they're deliberately swiping up. They're interested. They're going to opt in for the free thing. I mean, how do people not understand? Like, this is not the key to everything, but I'm telling you right now, in affiliate marketing, if you build a list doing and do paid ads. You do paid ads with the irresistible offer for something free. You build an email list of a bunch of people interested, and then you have a bunch of flipping offers in the back end that are relevant. You're going to get conversions. You're going to be profitable, and then you can keep launching more offers in the back end forever. I mean, starting a business in today's world online is the easiest thing in the world, and this method works. Okay, if you want to make money right now, this method works. There's a lot of gurus out there that teach stuff. It doesn't work. Like, I have methods that people have never even thought of before, okay, that have been making me money for a long time, and I've even taught to people, a lot of people, and they're making money, and it's crazy, okay. I have complete programs teaching exactly how to do this stuff, and people are absolutely making crazy money, okay. And this method right here for free, I'm teaching. This can make you guys money, okay. Like, it's crazy, okay. So here we are, target cost. Achieve the most volume while aiming to keep your average cost per action below your target cost. Okay, and then the max bid is bid conservatively at a below your desired bid. So you could do target cost and optimize just around one thing, but whoever can spend the most money to acquire conversions wins. Okay, so if you do a max bid, you can basically outbid everyone else. Okay, but an auto bid will just get you traffic regardless. So I would always do auto bid if I were you. Okay, now what's this? Third-party tagging, that's whatever. I would totally skip that. Now we keep going, man. Unless we have to make ads, of course. Okay, so this is the ad section. You make an ad. I mean, it's freaking awesome. They literally give you everything you could possibly want. Okay, you can create an ad instantly, guys, right here. So you just select one of the templates, and then you're like, hey, get a free thing here. Okay, that's basically how you have to say it. So, free ebook or videos, ebook and videos on how to text girls. Okay, that's very simple, but you guys get the point. Okay, now your brand logo, you could just do another call to action here. Okay, for the text it has there, but that looks like it's an entire logo. So this is an actual logo too. So this is an image. You'd want to replace that for anything, or just get rid of it. You could delete it. You could change the background media. Now you're good. Okay. You could play the video and see how it goes. Okay, X. Are you sure you want to close? No. I'm trying to save this thing, boy. Okay, exit. Oh gosh, I think I ruined it. Oh well. So anyway, you make the ad, then you create the ad instantly and instantly approved. Okay, we're obviously not going to run that ad, but you guys get the point here. Okay, and then you literally link to your website, and you do want to have a custom domain name, guys. You want to use ClickFunnels because ClickFunnels you can make very great converting sites, and I have done a few funnels for you where you literally learn some of the highest persuasion strategies and copywriting templates in the entire world. Okay, that are customized by me for any offer out there. Okay, it's crazy. Okay, the psychology into these landing pages that I show based off proven stuff that works, and I use it all the time for my campaigns. Okay, this stuff works, psychology works, and it's extremely powerful. Okay, so anyway, you basically make this ad super simple, then you get it approved. Okay, and then you want to make a few more ads. Okay, you want to actually create quite a few ads, and you create a few ads. You create the campaign and it runs, man. And you look at the data and you optimize and you optimize. Then you launch a whole entire new campaign with your best performing ads and your best targeting. And now you're in the green and now you're printing money every single day. And it's like crazy. Okay. Once again, I don't have the time to do this exact traffic source. I do other traffic sources like I talked about on this channel, like adult marketing traffic sources. I do YouTube traffic sources. Okay. YouTube is the biggest platform out there. So I do YouTube paid ads, YouTube free traffic, and adult paid ads, okay, on all the adult traffic networks. Those are the ones I do, but I can absolutely make anything work, and that's what it's all about. So follow me just to learn, guys, like every single method there is and all these different traffic sources, okay? Thank you for watching Learn Machines. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in more videos. Check out the links in the description to learn more stuff that are super powerful Learn Machines. I will see you guys later. Peace out.